Hello and welcome back to Scriptcase by me, Jamie. That is me, that is my name. I am here to show you how you can create applications super fast within the Scriptcase development environment. And in this video, I'm going to show you how fast it is to create a grid application. And not only that, the grid application will also generate a form application which is linked to the grid all at the same time. So all I need to do is come here, choose grid, choose the table for which I want to create that grid for, enable the check that the also create a form to edit the grid is checked there, and then click the create button. Now just like that and just as fast as that, I have created a grid application, and not only a grid application but also a form application. Both of those linked together, generated just within a few seconds with so many features and functionalities built into this. It is insane. Check it out. Come join the channel. Check out Scriptcase. You'll see just how easy it is to create applications in record time. And just about anybody can create them. You don't have to code. It is a low-code development environment. Check it out, and until the next video.